see. I know you guys were expecting us to be in Bali by now, but as you know, 2020 did not go as planned for anybody. So we've been chilling, but we did go purchase something recently. So we do kind of have a plan B, and it should be here any second. Synadine's bringing it in. We're pretty excited about it. I'm super excited about it. But here is our plan B. B for Benz, Mercedes-Benz.
Hello everybody. Are you guys ready to go on a trip with us to all 50 US states?
Except Hawaii.
And yeah, except Hawaii. Yes, we should. But we'll travel to Hawaii
Eventually.
So have you already told them what's going on? Look at
Plan
this
B.
thing, guys. The freaking Mercedes Sprinter, 170 wheelbase extended. Oh my god, it's like a freaking bus. So this right here is the longest van on the market, as far as I know, but I don't know much about vans, but I think it is. Here, stand next to it, stand next to it. Look how tiny Kaylee looks next to it. I mean, Kaylee always looks tiny, but look how tiny she looks next to this van. So yeah guys, we have purchased a Mercedes Sprinter van, and because like Kelly said earlier, we cannot travel to Asia like we wanted. We had to do something, like we have a travel fever, and got this van. We got a really good deal on it, and we just pulled the trigger, bought it, and now we gotta start renovating it.
It's completely gutted. Do you guys want to see it?
Yep, let's look at it.
Oh,
Handle is on the way. The badge is on the way. I mean,
that.
it is a fixer-upper. When you buy a cargo van, you're not gonna get something like beautiful, but we'll make it beautiful.
You ready for the money shot?
Yep. You gotta unlock it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it without you.
I'll do it inside.
Okay. Alright, here it is, guys. Whoa!
Perfect.
Look at this beauty!
We just cleaned it too. It was in rougher shape when we first bought it, but...
Yep, I mean, what can you expect from cargo van? Guys, so look how huge this thing is. So, from the seats, there's so much room. I mean, it's a lot smaller than our house, but you know, you give up some comfort for freedom.
Yeah.
That's what we really do. So the only thing we've done to it so far was did a master cleaning of the, what is this area called?
Cargo
like
space?
A cargo space, because like it had some
dirt,
smells and
grime.
dirt and stuff. So we cleaned all that, and we also removed some rust spots, and we put back this plywood that actually came with it, so we don't have to do this.
Every single crevice. You'll see the time lapse.
Yeah, you guys see it in time lapse. So here's a sneak peek on the time lapse of us cleaning.
Yeah.
Just a little one.
Don't make fun of me if my face looks weird.
That time lapse that you see, we're gonna be making those time lapses in the whole process of renovating this van. So what we want to do is, Kaylee, tell them the layout.
Alright. As you can see, you'll enter here. We'll add from here. We'll be in the kitchen. So from right
little
here to like right here, I'm thinking. It'll have like a sink, a 2-burner, stovetop, maybe an oven. I'm not sure. We've been looking.
Yeah, we still don't know everything 100%.
We're gonna put a fridge in. I'm thinking putting the fridge right here, so it's at eye level. A lot of people say putting it down low is just a hassle.
Yeah, you don't want to bend down in this tiny space.
Which is a little.
Then we're gonna have a bedroom. I don't know if I call it a bedroom or just a place we're gonna put a bed.
Yeah,
because we don't really have a room. It's like a studio, right?
It's gonna be this way.
Really?
I think so.
I don't think I'm gonna fit.
I think we can.
Wait, let's test this out.
Alright.
Okay, your head's cut off.
If we want
So let's see if you'll fit. I don't think.
I'm thinking this way actually, so then we can put cabinets
try.
right here.
Let's try it. I call this side if you do it this way.
Man, you look so comfortable.
No. Here, you try.
We'll go this way. I
You
mean, I
try.
could fit in anywhere.
I want to see it. No, this ain't gonna work like this.
Yeah, I can fit anywhere.
So we'll go
Compact
that way.
size.
Let's actually try it on.
Try it on.
Yeah. Imagine this is all
I mean,
big.
you might have to bend your knees.
There you go.
I'll be fine. But we're thinking of the bed here, And then on each side,
Wait,
doing...
you gotta get a full feeling of it.
I don't want to lay my head down.
Come on, just put your hands
I
behind.
want to talk about it.
Oh my god. So this is gonna be our bed, guys, for extended period of time until we visit all 49 states.
You know how weird it'd be if someone walked up on us right now? Just videoing us laying down in a van?
I mean, we don't have to have the full length for my feet, like they can dangle a little bit.
And it's
a lot
gonna
of
be
vans can
lifted.
dangle a little bit.
It'll be a lifted bed, so we have storage underneath where I'm sitting at right now.
Yeah.
And then also probably put a dog kennel down there. Our dogs are going too. And on this side, we're gonna do a little window. And maybe like on the sides of the bed, some storage space here and some storage space here.
So we're gonna lift our bed up here actually, and then all that below is gonna be storage. We're gonna put our like water heater and water tank
the
and
boring electrical.
all that kind of stuff to make this livable space, like a home instead of just a cargo truck.
Storage over here on this wall, and then over here. We were very tempted to just do an outside shower, but then we started thinking about it if we were somewhere cold. And I really don't want to shake my legs outside with everyone watching. So I think we're going to do a toilet shower situation right here.
Yeah, it will be a little tight. I mean, check this out, guys. Like, I don't think we're going to have a rain shower head.
No.
What do you think?
Definitely not.
Probably just going to have like a wall mount. So we can just like grab it and take a shower, and maybe make a little seat that's also gonna have a toilet in it, or we'll figure something out. We got like a lot of ideas, but we still don't have 100% plan of what we want to do.
We've been checking out, doing a lot of research with the van community, and
yep, we're joining the van life community.
We're putting a lot of thought behind it to make it perfect for us. It might not be perfect for everyone else, but we're gonna try and make it perfect for our
we gotta
situation.
make it work for us.
Yeah.
And 2 dogs. This shall be fun, guys.
So right here, we're kind of in debate over this. So it's either gonna be a sitting area, a desk area, a pull-up desk area, or storage. That's kind of our options right now. This is kind of in limbo, so we'll decide later what we're gonna do.
Yeah, I think we should do some kind of couch here. Maybe they can pull out in case we ever have guests or anything.
Yeah.
For like a week trip or something. Yeah, something like that. And then back here, we just got our seats. We're gonna be sitting and driving a lot, and these seats are actually gonna be a swivel seat, so you can turn them around and face this way.
That's kind of why we're against the desk area being there, because honestly, all we need is to turn these around and then put like those TV dinner trays.
Yeah.
Or like something like that would be efficient enough, I think.
Yep. So this is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz 170 wheelbase extended. So, as I said earlier, this is the longest van that you can get on the market right now. And we do have some like upgrades to do to it. Like there's a little piece missing right here, which is not a big deal. We'll change this entertainment system so we can have a Google Maps and all that good stuff on their Bluetooth and stuff like that we used to now.
Yeah.
And but there's a really sad part to it.
What?
We're sad to say goodbye
to what?
to our BMW.
Oh. I'm not.
Look at it.
I'm fine.
Look at it. That is my second love right there. No, this is my second love. That's my first one.
You met me first.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Chill. Chill.
Like, stab you.
Yeah, we'll definitely be selling our car because there's no need of it just sitting here for like extended period of time of 5, 6 or more months of us traveling. Once we satisfy our travel fever, we'll definitely be getting another comfy car. And I don't know, maybe we'll keep the van, maybe we'll sell the van once we renovate it or something. I don't know. We don't like to plan too much ahead.
Maybe we'll buy a bus.
No, please, no, this is a bus. Doesn't that look like a bus? Like the first thing we're doing to it is gonna be a backup camera, because right now I don't know how to back up this thing. Wait, you actually gotta see this. Where's the keys?
Right here.
Here, listen to this now, guys. I always wanted to have this. So when I put it in reverse, see what happens.
Hopefully you can hear that, but it's beeping. Yep, this baby's got a beep to her.
We've got the freaking beep, like a trash truck coming back to pick up trash, so everybody moves out of the way.
Yep, don't mess with us and our beep.
Yeah, so we really haven't been filming a lot. My family has been in town for a couple of months now, and we really just use all that time to like bond with them and do
some projects.
Stuff together. And we did do a lot of work around the house that needed to be done because we'll also be renting our house out while we are gone, because there's no need of it just sitting there.
Yeah.
I mean, you can just see like a glimpse of stuff, like all this stuff around here is new.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Good.
And then we're also trying to make it, this van life situation, as sustainable as possible.
You need to practice some of driving to this van.
I've never drove it yet.
So this is our solution to this current situation in the world, because we really wanted to go travel overseas and explore other countries, but just not a good time right now, and we'll definitely do that later on once everything gets back to normal. We'll still do that kind of stuff, but right now our best thing for us is to do the van life and tour the United States of America.
National parks, I'm excited to go to Utah, Nevada, Colorado. Cindy's excited for like what?
I don't know, everything.
Everything. Alaska's another one, and Nova Scotia I'm excited for.
Yeah, we'll go some through Canada if they let us through, which I hope they will by the time.
Yeah.
We have a goal to leave by May of next year.
Yeah.
And then just stay a couple days or a week or 10 days in each state. I mean, we'll see.
We don't have a plan.
We don't have a plan.
Definitely going to be an error by trial situation.
Trial and error.
Trial and error.
Error by trial.
As we travel, we'll make improvements and we'll keep you guys updated on what we find is the best that works for us. And so maybe one day you guys could buy a van and hit the road too.
Yeah, remember how like many times people left comments on our channel, guys, stop by here, stop by there. So that's gonna be definitely happening. We're probably gonna be going through some of your towns, and you guys might actually get to meet us, and we might get to meet you too. So yeah, that's our big next step, guys. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to follow our adventures. Follow us on Instagram at theBeganovich, and what's your handle? Kaylee Beganovich.
Yeah.
And there you'll see all our steps that we are doing to the van.
Everything's gonna be custom in this van, like we're gonna do it.
Right before we end this video, I want to show you guys the first thing we already put on this van. I've had this for a while, but I just had nowhere to put it on our BMW, so it finally found its use. Our custom front license plate that has a US and Bosnian flag. So if you see this van somewhere in your town, feel free to stop by and say hey, and let's chat.
Feel free to leave your comments below for any recommendations for what we can do to the van to make our life easier. That would be
also, if you know from your state, if you know a bunch of cool places to go, let us know, because we're making a big list of places that we want to visit in every state.
I'm excited for national parks. I think Cindy's more excited for big cities, so
I want to go to a bunch of lakes, big cities, national parks, pretty much everything cool out there, because we got time. And there's no rush, there's no planning. We're just gonna go from one place to another and just have freedom. So give up on comfort and get freedom. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe.
Bye.
Behind the scenes of Kaylee learning how to drive.
This is my first time driving.
Okay, let's see this turn right here.
Driving.
Oh my god, you hit the curb.
No, I didn't.